Hi students, we are working with 2D shapes for math this week. So that means our flat shapes, the ones that aren't 3D, the not solid shapes that we were working with last week. So I have 3 shapes here and I bet you can tell me what they are. Square, circle, triangle. Now these are what we call closed shapes. These are closed. What does closed mean? I know you know what closed means. If the door is shut, if the door is closed, you can't get in or out, right? So these are closed shapes. All of their doors are closed. So if I have my little alligator in the triangle, can it get out? No, it's closed. It's stuck in there. What about my circle? Nope, that's a closed shape too. What about my square? Can it get out? Nope, that's a closed shape too. So what if I put it in this shape? What if I put it in here? Does it have a way out? It sure does. It can go whoop. Yep, it has a way out, and these are called our open shapes. So our open shapes aren't all connected. So you see our closed ones, everything is connected. Everything's connected. There's no holes. But in our open shapes, there's a hole. It's not all connected. Let's draw another open shape. What if we go and draw a square, but leave off the top? Is that an open shape? Yeah, the alligator can get out of there really quick. What if we draw our square, but we only leave an itty bitty tiny spot open? Is this an open shape? Yes, it's still an open shape because our alligator can squeeze through there. Any tiny little space in the walls are going to be open shapes, any type of tiny spot or really big spot like right here. If we had it like this, that's still an open shape, okay? So we're working this week, or today, we're working on open and closed shapes. This week we're gonna go more into other things with our shapes, like talking about edges and vertices. And you guys have already been talking about that last week. So I think it's gonna be really easy for you. So I'm going to draw a shape on the board. And I want you to tell me if you think it is open or closed, okay? So, open. Remember, like an open door, okay? So, let's see. Remember, Mrs. Brown is not an artist, but we'll try. All right. So, the door is open. See? Someone's right here saying hi. The door's open. Closed. And you need to look at how these words are spelled because we're going to be working with them all week. So open, closed. So our door on this one is closed. There's nobody saying hi because the door is closed. So this shape here, is this an open or closed shape? Open or closed? It is closed. So I'm going to draw a line over here. What about this shape? Open or closed? It's open. Here's our spot that's open right here. So we'll draw a line to open. What about this shape? Open or closed? It is open, we have an itty bitty space right here. So, since it's open, we're going to draw a line over here. What about this shape? Open or closed? All the doors are closed. So, we're going to draw a line to closed. Now, why is it important for us to recognize if a shape is open or closed? Because we're going to start talking about different types of shapes. Squares, rectangles, what else? Let me think. We might talk about pentagons and all of those shapes. One attribute. Remember, we talked about attributes last week. Remember, it's one defining characteristic, one defining attribute that separates the shape from a different shape. Just like you have brown hair and maybe your brother or sister has blonde hair. That helps tell the difference between you two. So, if we have a circle, or let's do a square and a rectangle and a triangle, just drawing some shapes here to give us some examples. So, how can we tell the difference between a square and a triangle? One has 3 sides and one has 4 sides. That's correct. However, we can also say that one defining attribute or one defining characteristic is that they are both closed shapes. Closed shapes. So, we need to really work on knowing if a shape is open or closed. In your math assignment in Google Classroom, you will be able to start sorting shapes into open or closed for some practice.